Welcome to AlarvyCAD Duct Tutorial Video 2 for Offset Cylindrical Duct. Click on Cylinder menu and choose Offset Cylinder option. The default parameter values are fixed in the parameter UI of the offset cylindrical duct, which can be modified by the user. Other unfold options such as unfold reference, K-factor, ripping edge angle, number of bend lines and unfold are available for the user. Changes may be done in the default value if required. Press Create button for creating the duct in the graphical user interface. In GUI, the top view of the offset cylindrical duct is displayed along with 3D dimensions. The user may rotate the model to the desired orientation using mouse left click and drag. The user may enter the values for the parameters of offset cylindrical duct in the parameter UI for obtaining different dimensions of the duct. Press Create button for creating the duct in the graphical user interface. The user may change the parameters of the offset cylindrical duct in the GUI also. The output step files of the 3D model of the duct are generated using Save Step option. For obtaining the DXF file of the unfold profile, Save DXF option is available. The user can obtain the GLTF file format by using the Save As option. The step file of 3D model, DXF file of the unfold profile and the GLTF file of the 3D model and unfold profiles are obtained as output. Thank you for watching AlarvyCAD Duct tutorial for offset cylindrical duct.